Have you ever wanted to hide product prices in your Shopify store? Maybe you sell wholesale products, premium items, or custom pricing products. Or maybe you simply don't want competitors seeing your prices. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to hide prices on Shopify using the Meet and She Hide Price app. And the best part is there's no coding required. Many businesses don't want every visitor to see product pricing. Instead, they want customers to contact them, request a quote, or log in first. This strategy works especially well for wholesale, B2B, and premium brands. First, install the Meet and She Hide Price app from the Shopify App Store. After installation, open the app from your Shopify admin to access the dashboard. The dashboard is simple and organized. From here, you can create unlimited hide price rules. Each rule controls where prices should be hidden and who can see them. Let's create our first rule. Click Add Rule and give your rule a name. For example, hide prices for guests. Enable the rule and continue with the configuration. Now choose where this rule should apply. You can hide prices for individual products or entire collections. You can even apply it to your complete Shopify store. Simply search and select what you need. Next, decide who should see the prices. You can hide prices only for guest visitors, or allow logged-in customers to view pricing based on customer tags for wholesale buyers, along with hiding product prices, cart, and buy now buttons. This prevents customers from purchasing products directly and encourages them to contact you or request pricing first. Instead of displaying the hidden purchase buttons, figure the button text, choose its position on the product page, customize the color and size to match your theme. Add the destination URL, save your changes, and preview the storefront. Now let's test it. As a guest visitor, the price is hidden and replaced with our button. After logging in, the price becomes visible again. Everything works exactly as configured. Using Hide Price helps you protect your pricing and generate more inquiries without any code. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.